Hi friends, today I need to complete the oxides of 16th group elements. Okay, here the oxides of 16th group elements. We studied already that oxides, two types are there for 16th group elements. One is MO2 type of dioxides, another one is MO3 type of trioxides. And in this SO2 and this is SO3. About the preparation methods and properties and structure of dioxides is given. And for sulfur trioxide, we will discuss today. Okay, so sulfur trioxide, SO3, sulfur trioxide. In this first one is a preparation method. So in this preparation method of sulfur trioxide, whenever the sulfur trioxide preparation method is taken, in this how we can prepare the sulfur trioxide means SO2 reacts with oxygen in the presence of a catalyst. In the presence of a catalyst to give SO3. Here 2SO2 gives 2SO3 and here delta H is equal to minus 196 kilojoules. That indicates the reaction is exothermic process and this reaction is a reversible process and catalyst used here in this process is platinized asbestos or vanadium pentoxide, or we can use nitrogen oxides mixture, NO2 mixture. Any of this can be taken as a catalyst, and at Le Chatelier temperature and pressure conditions we use this reaction for the preparation of sulfur trioxide, and this is an important intermediate step in the preparation of sulfuric acid by contact process. Okay, this is preparation of sulfur trioxide. And next, properties. Sulfur trioxide properties. When we are taking the properties of sulfur trioxide, first thing, the sulfur trioxide is also called as sulfuric anhydride. It is also known as sulfuric anhydride. Why this is called as sulfuric anhydride? When sulfuric acid is releasing a water molecule, what is remain? Yes, it is having only sulfur trioxide. So sulfuric acid after the removal of water gives sulfur trioxide means this is considered as the anhydride form. After the removal of water is formed, so it is the anhydride form of sulfuric acid. So simply it is called as sulfuric anhydride. And second one, here sulfur trioxide when dissolved in water, what happens? No reaction occurs. No reaction means actually this reaction is not conducted. Why? Because the reaction is highly explosive, and so if you want sulfuric acid from the SO3, first we need to react this sulfur trioxide with a sulfuric acid which will be converted to H2S2O7. This H2S2O7 is called as oleum. The oleum is formed, and next this is also called as fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming sulfuric acid, or this is also called as the other name is pyrosulfuric acid. It is also called as pyrosulfuric acid. So fuming sulfuric acid or pyrosulfuric acid. So this is different names for the sulfur trioxide. Oleum, sorry, not sulfur trioxide. This is different names for the oleum. And next, about the structure. Of sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide has solid form and it is present in three forms: alpha form, beta form, and gamma form. And in this three, alpha form is most stable. Alpha form of SO3 is most stable. Why this is most stable? Means the reason is because it contains a cross-linked chain structure. It contains a cross-linked chain structure, like we can write S double bond O, and here another double bond O, and O, S double bond O. Like this, a cross-linked structure is present. Because of this cross-linked structure, the alpha form is the most stable form of sulfur trioxide. And second one, if it is in gas state or gas phase, if it is in gas phase, then SO3 exists as an individual discrete molecules in which it is having sp2 hybridized sulfur atom. Here this sulfur is sp2 hybridized, and here the bond angle is 120 degrees, and the bond length between sulfur and oxygen is 1.43 angstrom units. And the next one, here sulfur trioxide is having 3 sigma bonds plus 3 pi bonds. Sigma bonds are formed by sp2 hybrid orbitals of sulfur and p orbitals of oxygen. And pi bonds are formed by p orbitals of sulfur and p orbitals of oxygen. And there is one such type of pi bond, and the remaining two are p pi and d pi bonds. Here this d is from sulfur and p is from oxygen, and two such type of bonds are present. Totally 3 bonds are present in SO3 molecule. 3 pi bonds are present in the SO3 molecule. Okay. And next, gamma form. Here, if gamma form of sulfur trioxide is taken, and a gamma form is taken, it is considered as a cyclic trimer. This is considered as a cyclic trimer form, and the cyclic trimer form we can write like S O S O S O, and here this sulfur is having 2 more oxygen atoms. Here also 2 more oxygens, and here also 2 more oxygen atoms. Okay, and here in this sulfur trioxide, the number of sigma bonds present is 12, and the number of pi bonds present is 6. Okay, that is about the gamma form of sulfur trioxide, which is in a cyclic trimer form. Okay, now today I will ask a question. You please write in a comment section. What is the type of pi bonds? Here we are telling clearly. Again, listen here. The pi bonds we are forming, we are telling like there is 3 pi bonds in the sulfur trioxide. Here, there is a 3 pi bonds in sulfur trioxide. We said already clearly that is 1 p pi bond and 2 p pi d pi bonds. My question is, in which excited state sulfur is forming these 3 pi bonds in sulfur trioxide? Okay, listen again. In which excited state of sulfur, this SO3 is forming 3 pi bonds. In which excited state? My question is, which excited state the sulfur, in which excited state of sulfur in SO3 is forming 3 pi bonds? Okay, you please write the answer in comment section, or tomorrow we will discuss in the class. Okay.